it's a hot day, I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fast little fun video. I'm just going to be refreshing my 3-tier tray. I did it all on Easter this year, so Easter's over with, so I really needed to step up my game and get that done. And it was free for me. I seriously gathered things around my house, or floral I bought, so it kind of cost like $4 or $5 if you want to include the floral I bought for a different DIY project, because they were new, so I guess we'll say it was $5. But seriously, I took things around my house, thing that was already in my tray, and made it a whole new tray, and it's not Easter anymore. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I came up with. I love decorating my 3-tier tray. It's my favorite thing. The tray is from Hobby Lobby. I know I get a ton of those questions, but the link will be in the description box below. And I'll also go through the whole video and tell you where everything is from. Although a lot of it is kind of old because, like I said, I just went through my house and found things and tossed it in there and thought it looked pretty good. So yeah, let's get going. So this is how I always start out decorating my 3-tier tray. I gather a bunch of things around that I know will fit or may fit into this tray, and I throw it all on a table or in the middle of the floor. And it's nothing professional or anything, but this is what works for me, so this is what I do every single time. Like I said, this 3-tier tray came from Hobby Lobby. You always have to go to Hobby Lobby when it's 50% off, so it's only $20. So that little windmill I'm putting in there is from Dollar General. The little lilacs are from the Dollar Tree this year. I thought those were super cute. That little, I can't even think what this, a milk can is from Hobby Lobby. And then that little moss ball I made. And then here and there, I just throw in these little brown like wicker balls. Those are from Dollar Tree. Now these little Ray Dunn pots, they have basil, oregano, and I can't remember which one. They all came in a 3-pack, and obviously you'll see the other one. I just can't remember what it's on there. But those are from TJMAXX like a year ago. And then that little watering can is from Hobby Lobby. And then I also made that little succulent pot, which I will leave that in the description box if you want to check out that video. Farm Sweet Farm Pig is from Hobby Lobby. And then right now I'm just throwing all these little pots in. I always use these no matter what. I just think they work and they look good, and I don't have to rebuy pots. It doesn't matter. Even if you don't want the sayings on them, you can easily flip them over so they're just white. So here we go. I'm like halfway done already, and I didn't have to add a ton of stuff. I got these floral from Dollar Tree this year, and I'm just going to cut them up. Normally I cut them a lot shorter so they fit in the pots better, but I think eventually I will take them out, change up the floral a little bit, so I didn't want to cut them too short, so they are a little big and they don't fit completely in there, but I kind of like the way that looks. I think it looks really like bushy and flory, and like, I don't know, it brings out some color to this tray because I do a lot of really plain colors. So I thought purple would be my color right now since I already had the little lilacs to start with. But I think this looks really, really cute.
let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over.
Then at the end, I did just add a little wheelbarrow, and that is from Dollar General this year. But you guys, that's it for the video. I think I covered everything. If not, make sure you leave a comment and let me know. I'll definitely answer that. I know I've been terrible at comments lately. I've been super busy playing outside with my kids, so it's been hard, but I do appreciate every single one of your guys' comments. I read every single one of them. I just know I haven't been that great at getting back to everybody, but I really, really appreciate it. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime, you know I